This bird literally just hit my window. I don't know what's wrong with him. Hey man, you okay? This is just weird. I'm gonna go get something for you. I'm just gonna... Want a cigarette? What the hell? Is he frozen? Probably is because of me. He can fly away though. What the hell? Hey man, you okay? He's literally just frozen. He's literally frozen. I'm gonna use this real quick. Hey man. Is he okay? What the hell? I assume I'm probably gonna get poked, but let's see. I'm probably gonna get rabies or something. I'm gonna have to clean myself immediately after. Hey man. Oh. Hey man. That's crazy. Is he stuck? I think he's stuck maybe. Maybe. Hey, what's wrong? Do I have to move him? Oh. Oh. That actually scared me. Here. Oh. Oh, his wings are locked. Oh. Wait, hold on. Wings? Is his wings locked? Hey, man, you're gonna have to move. I don't want you, like, sitting at my window stalking me. Excuse me. That gets me every time. Now I'm gonna push him. He's very light. Oh, that's crazy. You can see their neck is actually, it's very small. It's barely connecting to the body. No. Oh, there you go. Are you okay? Hi. All right. Oh, that was crazy. I don't know what that was, but it's probably maternal instinct. He probably either when he hit the window, he got stuck in fear. So yeah.